So I'm Mark Osofsky. I'm a vice president at Aptaros. And one of the things we do is we talk to our clients about how things are going. And I have Steve Snyder with me here today. He's the CIO of the Massachusetts Convention Center Authority. And you can see the wonderful view the Convention Center has. So if you're thinking of conventions, definitely consider Boston. So Steve's kind enough to share, some of his thoughts about how things are going with everyone. So Steve, why don't we start at the beginning? Talk about what this project is that we're working on and how it started.
About 2 years ago, with the advent of realizing that we needed to look at how do we do business. So what we did was we mapped our current business infrastructure and process flow. And it was fairly eye-opening. We found out that we had 36 discrete processes. A lot of people said, I didn't know you did this. I didn't know you did that. Right. And so it was getting the group together collaboratively really added a lot of knowledge that we didn't really have at that point. So we encapsulated that, boiled it down, and did some process re-engineering that got us down to about 13 discrete processes. Once we did that, we realized that, okay, some of these process improvements were procedural. We could easily deal with that by altering our business processes. But we also realized that a lot of the process problems that we were experiencing and the visibility we wanted to give the attendees, the exhibitors, and show management were hamstrung by our technology infrastructure, right, which was a closed system and frankly didn't allow us to mine the data that we needed to mine. So at that point we went through a fairly extensive RFP process where we built a set of enterprise accepted standards that we wanted to develop around or implement to support whatever we put into play from a technology perspective. And once we did that, we said, okay, now we need some help. We've got to go out and find somebody that can, A, help us build an architecture so we can go out to RFP for whatever the solution is going to be. And frankly, we threw our arms wide and said, we'll cast a wide net and catch every fish in the sea and look at all the different technologies and all the different prospective solutions. And at that point, we engaged Aptaros to help us define that roadmap.